Locating and replacing the extra transducer on the Optimyst. After prolonged usage, the ability for the unit to produce water vapor may become reduced. When this occurs, the replacement of the transducer may be required. The unit comes with an additional transducer. Take off the top plate, and at the back of the unit, behind the water reservoir, is an empty space where the extra transducer is located. Please note that there is a small tab that holds the transducer in place that needs to be released before it can be removed.